Welcome! Today we'll be learning how to navigate ESG Proxy proposals and shareholder engagement module with CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Before we start, let me show you our Module Navigation tabs feature, used to switch among modules that you subscribe to. There is also our Screen Navigation tabs feature, that's the horizontal bar on top of the page. The highlighted tab indicates which of the three screens you are on. Entering this module, you'll be taken directly to the search screen. The search screen is divided into two sections, General Search and Refined General Search. Start by selecting a date range and adding companies to your search criteria. Smart Peers is also available in this module. For a tutorial on using the Smart Peers feature, please visit the video. You can also filter per index, exchange, or SASB sector. And you can also select in which format you'd like to see the data. It's divided into reports and datasets and visual analytics. For a tutorial on using visual analytics, please visit the video. Back to the search screen, you can specify filters from our refined general search section. These include auditors, financial metrics, and more. But it's not necessary to input any search criteria to access the report. Once you have clicked on Go, you'll be navigated to the Report List screen window that looks like the one shown here. On the top left of the screen, you can view the report catalog and the number of reports you can explore under this module. You'll find the reports and datasets grouped by trending topics. You can use the search box to find the reports that contain the data points or information related to the words that you type in it. Information on the data points covered in each report is available by clicking on the eye icon next to the report title. You can also edit your search by clicking on the Edit Search button located to the right of the search box. Select a report to view by clicking on its title. This will then take you to the report screen. When you first open the report screen, you'll be in the Overview tab. In the Overview tab, if no search criteria were selected, overview information will be provided at an index level. You can also choose to display the data by SASB sector, exchange, and compare to any of these groups. To do this, use the drop-down menu at the top of the page. Data points are clickable and will take you to the data view, where you'll be able to see the underlying information of each data point. You can also click in the data points to view the data in a more granular view. Switch between Overview tab and Data View by clicking on the appropriate tab. You can sort the data by ascending or descending order or filter the rows by contain, equal, among other options. You can also change the data year to check the data for different years. The Select Report Data Point to View drop-down menu allows you to add or remove any data point to or from your report. Further information about the data points is available by clicking on the eye icon at the bottom of the screen. If you wish to see the report list again, click on the Edit Company Report List button. Finally, the information in this module is available for exporting by clicking on the orange Exporting button to the top right of the screen. Thank you for watching another of MyLogic's tutorials. To view more, please select one of the following videos.